Hi guys, I just come to Great Plumbing Merchants and I just come across this amazing offer on these Nivea boilers, and Nick here is going to tell us a lot more about it.
Listen, you don't want to miss this offer. This is a fantastic offer that we're doing here in Graham at Bromford Lane, okay? £625 including VAT for a Navian 37 kilowatt boiler, including flue. You're not going to beat that price. Come and see me, Nick, Graham's, Bromford Lane.
Thank you, Nick. Amazing.
Thank you.
Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Boiler Fix. Now I've been asked to have a look at this Baxi. There's no heating and hot water and it's just showing number 8. So we're going to diagnose this and repair this, and I'm going to share that with you how we're going to sort this out. One. Try the tap for me. Just give me number 8. It's not, you know. E160. Now we gain E160. Now if you've been watching all my films and I've been working on so many Baxis, you'll know what E160 is by now. Now I've done my diagnosis on it. I know what's wrong with it. Do you know what's wrong with it? People start talking about the personal things, you know.
Okay.
Yeah. I always delete that out. But, you know, general conversations, yeah, we will.
Yes, good.
I enjoy talking to people. I got no problem with that one. Some people are shy when they're watching brothers work, when they're being watched.
Yeah.
So, have you guessed what was wrong with it? Well, the fan was faulty on it. There was power going to the fan, but the fan wasn't turning. And so we're just changing the fan on this, and hopefully everything will be working fine after that. Guys, if you got a broken down boiler, domestic or commercial, we repair all your favorite boilers from Baxi, Vaillant, Wocesterbosch, Ideal. We also do landlord gas safety certificates and boiler service. So if you got a broken down boiler, don't suffer in cold, give us a call. Guys, also remember, if you got a broken down boiler, try and find yourself a gas safe registered engineer. If you go for a cheap and cheerful, it might cost you a lot more in long term. There are many horror stories out there. Right guys, we've fit the new fan. We're going to test it out and hopefully everything will be working fine after that. Now if you liked the film or enjoyed the film, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Picture of your number at the back.
I'll put a label on the boiler.
Okay.
Right guys, we're testing it out. The heating and the hot water is working fine now. We changed the fan on it, it's all good. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Okay, that's sorted here. It's working now, yeah? I'm just going to switch it off again.
Yeah. Make one for a bit, make sure the ventilators come on.
Oh, no, just let me just